Hey there, I am Anna from Edu4U. Are you a working student looking to advance your education? Blended learning might be the perfect solution for you. Blended learning combines online and in-person classes, offering flexibility and convenience. Let's explore the different types of blended learning. You have the option of attending classes either one day per week online and one day on campus, or if you prefer a more immersive experience, you can choose to attend classes 2 days per week on campus. Blended mode studies are available in vibrant cities like London, Manchester, Birmingham, and Leeds. You can start your blended learning journey in February, May, or September. And if those months don't work for you, don't worry. There are additional start dates available throughout the year. You may be wondering about the financial aspects. With a maintenance loan and part-time work, you can earn up to £15,000 per year. You can use this money for private expenses. Now, let's talk about the exciting courses available in blended learning. Solent University offers tons of courses like BSc, Hons, Computing, and London Metropolitan University offers BSc, Hons, Health and Social Care, with 1 day per week online and 1 day on campus. Arden University offers various courses, including the BA, Hons, Criminology and Psychology, LLB, Hons, Law, and BSc, Hons, Supply Chain Management, which is held on campus 2 days per week. How it's working? If you're interested, contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. Then we will send your application online and finally start studying. Remember that our help is free. So why wait? Start your blended learning journey today. Contact us for more information on blended learning and the courses mentioned. Subscribe to our channel for more educational content.